We would like to thank you for purchasing a Global M3 street sweeper. Global Environmental Products manufactures heavy-duty street sweepers in San Bernardino, California. We design and build heavy-duty purpose-built mechanical and regenerative air street sweepers that operate with one diesel engine or simply utilizing batteries that offer zero emissions. We're the only sweeper manufacturer in the world that currently offers a Class 7 100% plug-in electric street sweepers. Our machine features include exceptional visibility, ease of maintenance, and simple operation. Please pay attention as we discuss safe operation of the Global Street Sweeper.
Hello everyone, my name is Chad Borman. I am with Global Environmental Products, and I'm here today to take you through the operator training for your Global M3 three-wheel mechanical street sweeper. First thing that I would like to point out, it's just very good information for you to know and have, is where the vehicle identification sticker and manufacturer sticker is located on this street sweeper. This is information that's good to have if the machine needs to go in for any kind of a preventative maintenance service, any kind of work that needs to be done on it. It's information that the shop would like to have. You will find that identification sticker located inside of the cab. It would be next to the operator's left leg. You're going to notice a silver sticker that spells out the VIN, the tire and rim specifications, gross vehicle weight, any information that's necessary on this specific vehicle. It's important that we know where they're located and recognize the decals that are pasted around the machine. They're there for safety, they're there for maintenance identification. Pay attention to them. For instance, the gutter broom says no step. Above the label it shows no step in orange. Orange and yellow are obviously caution. This will rotate. We're trying to make sure you do not get injured. We have a no step located here, not because we're worried about injury. It is not structural. You will break the cover. As we go to the back, we have different type of maintenance caution and warning decals. First off, it highlights the location of the batteries. It says do not spray them. We ask you do not smoke around the batteries. They will give off fumes. They're located in the fender. Warning sticker in orange makes it very clear it is not a good idea to get underneath of this hopper for any reason while it is raised without a safety prop in there. These seem very obvious. We try to highlight them because at some point it has likely happened. Please pay attention to your decals.